As promised, today we're going to be unboxing package number 1 for the Whipple. This arrived a day ago or 2 days ago, and we're still waiting on package number 2, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox package number 1. So here we have the package. As you can see right here, there's a little bit of damage on the box. It looks like Whipple wants us to inspect the contents immediately for damaged parts, missing wrong parts, lost or damaged parts. It seems like here on this part here, you can see all the Whipple part number, who packed it, you know what date, which is 12/2. So it wasn't too long ago. But for this video, in order to open it, we're gonna borrow some kitty scissors. You know, this helpful kitty scissors to see if we can open it up. So time to open it up. So I'm not the best package opener. I normally just tend to rip stuff apart, but since we don't know what's inside and for the video, we're going to try to carefully open it just in case anything's missing, lost, or not there, and we can send anything back. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start opening up this bad boy here with our phenomenal kitty scissors. So let's rip that part up. Let's go with this part here, and let's see what these staples here. See if we could get them open somehow. Okay, looks like we're getting somewhere. There we go. So that's the first part there. Second part. We got a lot of foam stuff here. So we're gonna carefully take these things off. So after fighting with that box, we had to, my camera guy had to help me, and we had to more or less take it out of the box. It looks like it is going to be the core, so or the blower itself. So let's pull this off here. Actually, before I pull this off, all these package here is like sealed in one package, so which is really good because that way it protects the blower. Whipple does a very good job all the way around of you know, protecting it so it doesn't get scratched. The box, nothing looks like it got damaged, you know, inside of the blower. There's a small little damage at the bottom there, but other than that, looks like they did a good job. So let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like down there. So there you go, get that out of the way, and here's the beauty. Here it is. We've got the Whipple blower here. So this is what creates some serious horsepower. It looks like it's the actual core, and that is it. I'm not sure if this part here is, I have to look at other, because there is kind of an indentation here and here too, matching on the other side. I'm pretty sure that's part of the casting and molding. We've got our bolts here, plugs, pretty much everything that comes with the top part. The only thing I don't see here is a package for the missing bolts here. I guess I'm not sure if that's on the other package, but we're gonna go ahead and take it out of this foam here, bring it down the table, and see what it looks like under there. So after doing a little bit of research online, these indentions here are actually part of it. I'm still going to, I don't have the rest of the screws, I'm not sure, or the bolts, I'm sorry. I don't know if they are on the package number 2. I went ahead and loosened these bolts out, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them off real quick, all 4, and lift up the lid and just see how it looks under there, just to make sure that nothing is damaged or missing. I actually, while I'm taking this off, I do want to share that I do have compressor knowledge. I was in oil and gas compression for almost my entire career, and this is essentially a compressor. It's what it is, you know, obviously compressing air, atmospheric air, and creating boost, which is high pressure. So let's see if we can get this lid loose here and off. Here's the way we lift it up here, and there she is. I'm gonna show the underbelly of the lid, which is your coolers. So everything's there, everything looks good. Nice little inspection, no damage on the inner coolers themselves. As you can see here, everything's nice, machined very beautifully. There's nothing, no debris, very nice clean, a little bit of Actually, these are torqued. They're marked. They torque those bolts correctly. You can tell, nice quality. And here are the rotors. Rotors spin nice. Here's the mark, the tolerances. These are essentially a rotary screw compressor, like I used to deal with in oil and gas. And this is the tolerance between both rotors. You want to have a little bit of tolerance. Obviously, if not, if you get rotor clatter or they touch, obviously it's a recipe for disaster. But everything else is machined beautifully. Here's Whipple part number, all the edging, everything nice, clean. I mean, what else can I say? A bypass valve here. Everything looks phenomenal. So we are missing some screws and hardware and the rest of the stuff. The throttle body, I did get a 150 millimeter throttle body. I am gonna have the car tuned by Palm Beach Dyno. Ken and those guys did a great job on my silver one. So pretty much this Whipple, very good quality. I'm very impressed. The machine work, everything is very beautiful. I mean, these people do a very good job. This is my first Whipple, by the way, but I can tell you that everything on the inside looks very, very good. Even the coating on the rotors here, you can see it's just perfect. All your tolerances, nothing shakes, loose there. Everything's machined perfectly. Everything is just, great. They cover everything. These people do a great job. I believe the gasket will be on the other package, and that's pretty much all the stuff that's here. So this will conclude the video. I am going to, once I receive the second package, I will make the second video, part 2 of this video. And then I am going to ask a few questions after the second video when it comes to the injectors. See if anybody knows or recommends what injectors to run, what fuel system to run on my car. I do want to have a conservative tune, 1,950,000 horsepower, which should be no problem with this blower. It's very, I've seen people with 93 octane have, 1,000 to the wheels, which is kind of borderline, but at the same time, it's what we're after. I don't want to go 1,400 horsepower like everybody else. I want to stay more or less than 950 to 1,000. I think I do a lot of street driving. I don't do much tracking or racing, so I just want to have it in case I want to have some fun, but don't have to go full out track. So that'll conclude this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.